In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Firefox. If you'd like to personalize Firefox and give it a fresh new look, changing the browser theme is one of the easiest ways to do it. Themes can alter the appearance of Firefox by changing colors, backgrounds, and other visual elements, allowing you to create a browsing experience that better matches your style and preferences. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and apply a new theme in Firefox. To get started, make sure Firefox is open on your computer. Once you're on the main browser window, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the menu button represented by 3 horizontal lines. This button provides access to many of Firefox's customization options, settings, and tools. Click on the menu button to open the Firefox menu. From the list of available options, locate and select Extensions and Themes. This will take you to Firefox's Add-ons Management page, where you can manage browser extensions and customize the appearance of Firefox through themes. Once the page loads, navigate to the Themes section. Here you'll find a collection of available themes that can be applied to your browser. Firefox offers a variety of options, ranging from simple color changes to more elaborate designs that completely transform the appearance of the browser interface. Take a few moments to browse through the available themes and find one that matches your preferences. You can preview different options and explore the available selections until you find one that stands out to you. When you've chosen a theme, open its page and select the option to add it to Firefox. The browser will begin applying the theme to your profile. Depending on the theme, you may notice changes to the toolbar, tab area, menus, and other visual elements throughout the browser. Once the theme has been added, Firefox will automatically update its appearance. In most cases, you'll see the changes take effect immediately without needing to restart the browser. This makes it easy to experiment with different themes until you find one that you enjoy using. One of the great things about Firefox themes is that you're not limited to a single style. If you ever want a different look, you can return to the Themes section and choose another option at any time. Firefox makes it simple to customize the browser and switch between themes whenever you like. That's all there is to it. By visiting the Extensions and Themes section and choosing a theme you like, you can quickly give Firefox a more personalized appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.